Welcome to our lesson on arithmetic operators in Dart, essential tools for performing mathematical computations within your Dart programs. Arithmetic operators in Dart allow us to perform basic mathematical operations on numerical values. They're fundamental for calculations and data manipulation in programming. Dart provides various arithmetic operators: addition, plus; subtraction, multiplication, asterisk; division, /; remainder, %. The addition operator, plus, in Dart is used to add numerical values together. It can also concatenate strings. Let's explore how the addition operator works in Dart. The subtraction operator, in Dart, subtracts one numerical value from another. It's used to find the difference between numbers. Let's see examples of its usage. The multiplication operator, asterisk, in Dart is used to multiply numerical values. It performs multiplication operations between operands. Let's explore its functionality. The division operator, /, in Dart divides one numerical value by another. It's used to perform division operations and returns a quotient. Let's see examples of division in Dart. The remainder operator, %, in Dart, also known as modulo, returns the remainder of a division operation. It's useful for checking divisibility or extracting specific values. Let's explore its usage. Adhering to best practices ensures efficient and accurate computations. 1. Use parentheses to control operator precedence. 2. Be mindful of data types when performing arithmetic operations to avoid unexpected results. 3. Consider edge cases and handle division by zero scenarios. Arithmetic operators are vital for performing mathematical computations in Dart. Mastery of these operators enhances your ability to manipulate and process numerical data. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Also, subscribe to Coder Squad. Happy coding!